Hey, Richard.
Hello there.
Look at the adorable little sink.
It is cute, isn't it?
It's adorable.
You know, a lot of people want to add a little half bathroom in different places, and sometimes it's really tight for space. It might be underneath the front hall stairs.
Yep.
You know, and you might end up with a space with enough for the toilet right here, but then you got to put a lavatory somewhere, and you still have the door.
Right. So that wants to swing in.
Right.
So,
or this way. So,
right.
So now with that case, if a conventional lavatory is way out here, it might be 18 or 19 inches off the wall, which means the drain will be here. But now as you make this smaller this way, you're also changing the drain point much closer to the wall.
Pushing that much closer,
Right.
which means less real estate
Correct.
right here.
And we always need a trap of some sort.
Right.
So, you know, most people say, oh, I could just put a PVC trap. Well, you don't want to put a PVC trap anyways because it looks so ugly. You'd like it to be...
Yeah. This is not sitting on a cabinet. This
is all exposed. Right. So it has to be just right. But look at what happens with any trap. You see that this is actually too far towards the wall. You're going to have to move to a tubular trap. Now this is chrome-plated brass.
Yeah.
Okay. And what you want to do is the last connection you want to make has a flange and the nut inside the wall. And so you come right here and you try to get it in here. And we're trying to make this connection inside the wall and then cover it with this. But this is just at the point where this would be difficult to make because of the bend being right here.
So I get why we need a trap. Like, you cannot go with a fixture without a trap.
No, you have to, because
Right.
there's nothing but sewer gas coming up through that pipe. And so the way the trap works is the water will come down this way, down through the trap right here and go to the drain. But the water seal remains right here. This high point right here is the trap weir. And so water would sit in here and it will keep sewer gas from coming up into the space.
Okay, and the same thing's going on in
Absolutely.
this beautiful little tubular, but you're saying that the distance from where the drain is
Yeah.
to where it starts to get straight again
Yeah.
for that nut, that scutcheon plate, this is too wide.
Correct. So you could take a trap like this and maybe change the point of the, you know, where it's roughed in.
Yeah.
But that's exposing more when you look at it. It doesn't look right.
no,
You really want
I
it to
was
be
just
clean.
gonna
You were
say-
excited.
I was a little excited, but now that you mention it.
So you want to get excited?
Yeah.
How about this? This is a bottle trap.
Oh, now I'm excited.
Also called a decorative lav trap.
Oh, so there's
And
there's no little P shape on that.
Okay, so now, there it is. And you say, boy, that is beautiful, isn't it? And
Boy,
it is.
that is beautiful.
Right.
I love
Except
it.
it's illegal.
You can't use it?
It's illegal.
Wait.
With good reason.
Because it doesn't work?
It works.
How does it work?
But let me show you inside. Here's a cutaway. Water comes down through the drain, and it goes down through this inner tube right here and turns, and it comes back up this way and goes down the drain. And so this is where the water seal is. But this is called an internal partition. And this internal partition is a separate pipe, you see it?
Yep.
And it's made out of just thin brass with plastic. And so if
So it's like a pipe in a pipe.
Correct. And so now, this internal partition, if something ever happened to this and it broke or rotted away or mechanically failed, you would then have the water just sitting right here and sewer gas would be able to come up into the building.
Right. And even though we can see it there on the real thing, we would never see that pipe in the pipe is busted.
You'd only smell it. That's why any trap is not supposed to have any internal partition.
Okay.
It also is supposed to be able to be self-scouring. So self-scouring is all the water that goes by will tend to clean the inside of the trap, and that doesn't.
This just drops down.
Just drop in here. It
floats up.
sort of has a little reservoir.
No momentum there.
And the final piece is that it wants to be able to be cleared mechanically. So if you just pass me that,
Your snake right here.
you can't really get this thing down and then make that turn through the pipe in that way. Unlike a conventional trap, where you can come down here and it goes right down through the drain and clears it, okay? So those three reasons make it technically illegal.
This is such a bait and switch. Wait, I thought this was the perfect solution, and
Well-
now you're telling me it's illegal.
well,
Why are you showing me this?
There are times that this is exactly what you need, and you may apply to the local plumbing inspector for a variance that says you do it, but it is illegal with good reason because plumbing fixtures should go in and be good for 100
Yes.
years and not have to worry about sewer gas.
You've always said that.
Right.
You've always said
Right.
they should just be
Right.
bulletproof. So, but you would be okay in certain situations
Right.
if you got the legal
That's right.
variance to
Yeah,
use it?
Yeah, and this is what's happened now with the world market, you know, products come from all around the world. We still have to satisfy the local laws.
Good. All right.
Right.
Well, it's still adorable.
It is adorable.
Even more so with the bottle.
It's a bottle trap.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.